We'll see. All right. Oh. What? We skipped the game? No. File on protest. All right, Bruce. All I gotta say is. No point in scoring this game. We might just see how long we can go. Just keep it going. Oh, man. Free. Shit. Oh! Whoa. That was hooked there. Whoa! Yes. Oh, thank you. Look at house. Right.
1 minute.
No rolling. Oh. Taking the page out of Bill's book.
Yeah, there it is. Boyd! That's a Boyd, all right. Nolan Boyd.
Nolan Boyd.
Wow. I don't know how to stop that, but boy.
Don't do it.
Yeah. Whoa. Okay.
Oh, jeez.
No, and
3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Do you think we're going to return this or? It's not bad. I mean, like, it may not be 8, but at least it'd be at least.
These guys are so fucking good, man.
But they laugh at us. That's the good part.
You only pay $15 of it. You'll have to use some more. So,
Yeah.
it's only good.
Oh, did you see that crap? That hit every part of the net except the bottom.
Oh.
We're getting slow.
Again! I just keep doing that. You can't beat the good guys when you do that.
2 minutes.
There you go.
Yeah, that was, I owned that one. Shit, that's the name of, oh fuck, why did I do that by that time?
Oh, God.
Uh-oh. Staging the comeback. And get your stick out of my face.
One minute.
Look at it.
Oh, man.
Oh, man, he said nuts. I
There
was,
you go.
yeah, I got lucky. Yeah, that was a lucky ass thing like that.
Shit.
30 seconds.
Let's stop.
Oh.
20 seconds.
Reverse dick step.
Oh, that's probably yeah. Yeah.
10 seconds.
Damn it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's a good game, man.
Okay.
I got a half point for it before I hit the